Hi everybody, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. And we're back again for another thank you video in the Buy Me a Coffee series. Thank you so much. This one is dedicated to Kurt. Thank you so much for buying me a coffee. Kurt put a little comment on there. He said, keep up the great work, love the content. So thank you, Kurt, for that. This one's for you. And I've gone for something a bit different. Malta Guinness, non-alcoholic malt. This is Nigerian, believe it or not, and is actually a genuine Guinness product. I believe picked it up in a little corner shop. But yeah, never seen this before. I had Guinness many times and Guinness Zero. But yeah, this is a non-alcoholic stuff, as you can see there, from Nigeria. So yeah, a little bit different this time. It's I don't know if it's going to be particularly caffeinated, but I've never tried this sort of thing before, a malt drink. So I suppose there's no time like the present. Let's get into it and see what it tastes like. On the face of it, looks like cola, but a bit flat. Okay, let's give it a go. Smells quite sweet. Let's give that a taste. Oh, that's very sweet. It's like, oh yeah, it tastes like sweet bread with a little bit of hint of Guinness and an aftertaste of flat Coke. Yeah, definitely drink this thing cold. I'm going to try and have the rest of this stuff. It's definitely unique. I can't really give you a reference point other than sweet malty bread with a flat Coke aftertaste. Very interesting nonetheless. I'll finish that, Kurt. Thank you so much. So yeah, that was that. Something a bit different for a change. If you'd like to buy me a coffee, I'd greatly appreciate it. All the information on how to do this is in the comments and video description. That's all for now. Thank you again to Kurt for buying me the coffee, and I'll see you for the next one. Take care.